What was your childhood like?
I had a fairly busy childhood because I was one of 5 children. I was the oldest. So I was living in Montreal, Canada, but I did the usual things. I went to school, I played with my friends outside when it was nice. Montreal in the winter was not that pleasant, not like Florida here, but that was kind of my youth.
What was your favorite thing to do as a child?
Early on, I became interested in chess when I went away to camp, and a camp counselor taught me the moves. Then eventually I got a little more serious about the game, and I actually went into a public school championship and a high school championship. But that was probably the thing I spent a lot of my time on, learning as I was growing up.
Do you like your job?
Depends which job you're talking about. So let's talk about the one I retired from recently. That was at Florida State University, where I was a professor in the psychology department and also ran the Institute for Successful Longevity. That's this little pin here. And I really enjoyed that job a lot. I got to contribute by doing research. I could teach students, and I enjoyed doing that. And I had a role as an administrator. My most recent job is continuing just the research side of that. I'm at Weill Cornell Medicine. There I'm basically a clinical professor of psychology in medicine, and that job is pure research. I really do enjoy doing that in my part-time work.
Can you define what longevity means?
All right, so what people mean by the term longevity is how long do you live? There are different types of longevity, though. We can talk about just how long you live, but today what we're most interested in is something called healthy longevity. How long do you live in a good state?
What do you think is the best part of aging?
I'll say one of the good things about aging that I've experienced is when I retired, I was able to start to do new things. And one of the things I decided to take up was running. And since I had the time now, eventually I was able to get up to the point where I could run a 5K. So I'm going to be in the senior games, and I'm hoping to be able to do well as a runner for the first time in my life. And there are other things as well that I've been able to do as I got older, and I'm only working part-time. So that's kind of a personal anecdote of one of the good things about aging.
What advice will you give children these days?
One of the things that you need to really keep active is your curiosity. What are the things that you're learning about? How are the skills that you're getting in your school system helping you to answer questions that excite you about the world?
How does it feel to be honored as a Silver Star?
Well, obviously I'm feeling very honored to be in that category, because I've looked a little bit about some of the other people who've been awarded the Silver Star. I'm very grateful that people considered me as a potential Silver Star, and I'm looking forward to attending the ceremony.